Today, we're going to look at the Hilti SCT 6022 cordless table saw. Built for professional contractors, this saw combines cordless convenience with the cutting capacity and portability needed for demanding job site work. Let's take a closer look at some of the features that makes this system stand out. One of the biggest advantages of the SCT 6022 is its mobility. When paired with Hilti's folding trolley system, the saw can be easily moved around the job site and set up wherever it's needed. Whether you're working on a remodel, a commercial interior project, or a multi-story job site, being able to bring the saw directly to the work area can help streamline your workflow and reduce unnecessary material handling. The SCT 6022 runs on Hilti's Nuron Cordless platform. For contractors already using Nuron tools, that means battery compatibility across a wide range of equipment, helping simplify tool management on the job. The cordless design also gives crews the flexibility to work in areas where power may not be readily available, while reducing the need for extension cords and additional setup. Now, let's talk about cutting capacity. The SCT 6022 offers a rip capacity of over 26 inches, making it well suited for handling sheet goods and dimensional lumber commonly used on the job site. Whether you're breaking down plywood, ripping framing materials, or preparing finished components, the saw provides the capacity needed for a wide range of cutting applications. The saw also delivers a maximum cutting depth of approximately 3.5 inches, allowing it to handle larger material sizes while maintaining the convenience of cordless operation. Its 10-inch blade helps provide the versatility needed for everything from framing work to finished carpentry. Accurate cuts start with a reliable fence system. The SCT 6022 features a rack-and-pinion style fence designed for smooth adjustment and consistent positioning. Once set, the fence locks securely into place and helps maintain accuracy and repeatability throughout the workday. It's often the small details that make a difference during daily use. The saw features onboard storage for key accessories, helping keep important components organized, protected, and within easy reach. From transport to setup and operation, these integrated storage solutions are designed with job site efficiency in mind. The SCT 6022 is designed for a wide range of professional applications, including framing, remodeling, interior finishing, commercial construction, and general job site cutting tasks. Its combination of cordless mobility, cutting capacity, and portability helps bring this table saw performance directly to where the work is happening. To get the most out of the SCT 6022, it's important to follow a few best practices. Always use the appropriate blade for the material being cut. Check fence alignment before making production cuts. Keep all safety equipment properly installed and adjusted. And make sure your batteries are fully charged before starting larger cutting tasks. The Hilti SCT 6022 cordless table saw brings professional-grade cutting performance to the Nuron cordless platform. With impressive cutting capacity, job site mobility, integrated storage, and compatibility with the broader Nuron system, it's designed to help crews work efficiently across a wide range of applications. To learn more about the SCT 6022 and the complete Nuron platform, visit Hilti.com.